What role do thoughts and emotions play in the law of magnetism? In the law of magnetism, thoughts and emotions are fundamental in shaping our experiences and the people we attract into our lives. This principle is based on the idea that like attracts like, meaning our internal state directly influences our external reality. When we maintain positive thoughts and emotions, we emit a high vibrational frequency that draws similar positive energies, opportunities, and individuals into our lives. This can lead to increased happiness, success, and fulfilling relationships. Conversely, harboring negative thoughts and emotions results in a lower vibrational frequency, attracting negative experiences and people. This can perpetuate a cycle of dissatisfaction and challenges. Therefore, the law of magnetism emphasizes the importance of cultivating a positive mindset and emotional state. By doing so, we align ourselves with the outcomes we desire, creating a more favorable and fulfilling reality.